Thank you very much. This is the best. And Scott, thank you. You know, I'm lucky. Of course, many things happen, but I'm lucky. So, knowing you is best. I won't trade for anything, and I'm blessed with a beautiful.
You're not gonna Facebook that, are you?
And I'm blessed with a beautiful daughter by you, and thank you so much. And to be 50 with you is great, because you know you have made life more to the point that I was able to live this long. So I really appreciate that, and I want to thank you very much. We have our difficulties.
Wow. So 50 good years for you, one bad day for the crowd.
And today you let me have my way. You said, what do you want? I said, I want a crowd. You gave me what I want. I got me to be what I want to be. Like I was telling Sherry my flamingo today, so I'm still showing up. I said, I don't know, I was watching the nature. And in the nature they are showing flamingo, and they make reference to what about flamingo. So the attributes of flamingo. And they say flamingo have the stamina because the way they are made, they can stand on one feet sometimes. So they do have stamina. And also stamina, they are sociable because they are beauty. You know, they have pink. You know, they have a beautiful color. Even though they don't want to be a sociable animal, they have to because of their, you know, other body attracted to their look, to their color. So the color attracts. And I was thinking about that. I just said, you know what? I'm blessed, and I appreciate nature of beautiful color. The variety, the differences is what made this planet a beautiful place. So that's why I want to be a flamingo.
It's a flamingo day, okay. All right.
Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Let's all join hands and kumbaya.
Thank you.
I used to be able to play it.
Whoa.
Did you
I used to.
I did.
Excellent. Excellent.
The cake was no problem. Making that plastic dish was the tricky part.
I can imagine.